Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, let's take a look again on the Forex market. In general, the recent Fed statement has provided sufficient impulse for some upward action, not only on the euro currency, but on other currencies as well. So for instance, on Great British Pound, you could see thrusting action, upward action that we have discussed stands on the way. Market mostly has hit the predefined level that we talked about. It's around daily overbought and resistance area. And the OP target we have specified also has been reached here. Now we need to see the reaction and resistance. So as the Great British Pound stands here as in euro currency, you could see now stands in the first destination points near 19 even area. It's also completed some intraday targets, and here we need to see what will happen. So some pullback here forming some patterns maybe could suggest that we should get some deeper upward action. But somehow I suppose that this really could be just very short-term reaction on the Fed statement. So, as I said, it might be really short-term reaction on the recent Fed, and I'm not be surprised if it will be just downward continuation somewhere from this area. So for that, but to say it definitely, we need to see what will happen in some support areas. It's most rising upward action. So currently on the 4 time frame chart, you could see that market hits the XOP on the 4 time frame chart. We have this right from the bottom, this A, B, C, D bottom pattern. So XOP has been reached, and now market stands at the confidence resistance that we already discussed. So if you remember, when the market just has started upward action, we said that's a really big challenge because market will have to pass through the two confidence. The first one was right here, was broken with the Fed assistant. Now it stands in the next area. And so now it's not just a confidence, but also agreement resistance. And it suggests that some pullback here could start. So on the hourly chart, we have two moments. First of all is ABCD pattern from this upward action, so it's different ABCD. The XOP around 119.12. But at the same time, you could see that now market is forming reaction on the first XOP. And this reaction takes the shape of the double repo sell. Thrusting action here after the Fed looks pretty nice. We have closed below the 3x3 close above, creating the new top, completing the strong resistance, which is really great for a double repo. That's market stands at the strong resistance area. And close below it. So we have the confirmed double repo pattern that suggests a drop. So at least it should be, well, usually 50%, somewhere 1840. But maybe it will be just 30%. Just because of this bar, which has very long shadow, it means that this level stands relatively low. So maybe 1850, 1840 sound, some retracement could happen. That's theoretical. Some reaction on the XOP could happen today. Also, we could keep an eye on some harmony that exists here. As you can see, this market stands on the 4 time frame chart as natural resistance as well. And as you can see, lots of wide swings here stands. So whether market will keep this tendency or not, we will see. But currently, if you have the long positions, you have entered on the Fed statement, today is Friday, guys, you should think about the protection of yourself. For those of you who would like to take the position, I think that we should keep an eye on for some deeper retracement. Theoretically, it should happen either from this area or when the market will complete another XOP. So anyway, if you do not have the long position currently, it's not the good idea to take it. Just because market stands at the strong resistance area, it would be better to sit in the hands and see for 2 moments. First of all, the depth of the retracement. Second, whether market will be able to stay above some strong and important fib levels. Because this is a crucial moment for actually the pullback, and only if market will be able to stay above the levels, we could say that this is just a retracement. Otherwise, we will get some sell-off, it's breaking all the support areas. It will be difficult to treat it as a retracement because it just could be the continuation of the daily big ABCD pattern. It might be sharp reversal down again. So for scalp traders, well, theoretically, you could try to use this double ripple pattern, but well, it stands on the hourly chart, and we usually do not trade the hourly chart. So for us, this double ripple is more valuable as a starting point of the downside retracement. So retracement and entry level are more important currently, but it's not forbidden. You could think about it if you see it attractive. So why not? So that's, guys, actually all that we could say about the euro currency right now. Let's see for response on the market on this resistance. Let's see how market will respond on the support areas, and that will tell us what to expect next. Either upper continuation in some larger, maybe ABCD pattern, or just confirmation that the pullback is over and we're going lower. So that's a major task currently on the euro.